Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or we discuss with you, Youthful Brain by Vitality Now Memory Support Supplement. Now, you might be wondering what is the Youthful Brain by Vitality Now that you may be hearing online. Well, Youthful Brain here is a nootropic supplement in tablet form, positioned to reduce brain fog here, enhance memory, and support overall mental performance. Now, that's according to them. Now, the formula is built around 5 ingredients here. The standardized Bacopa monieri, so minimum of 50% Bacopa glycosides, ginkgo biloba leaf extract, standardized for flavone, glycosides, and the terpene lactones, huperzine A, phosphatidylserine, and vitamin B12. Now, each bottle contains 60 tablets, a 30-day supply, and the company states it verifies label potency through third-party testing and screens for heavy metals and microbes. Now, how do you exactly take this specific supplement here? Now, you take the tablets daily as directed on the supplement facts panel here, and the product is described as small and easy to swallow, gentle on the stomach, and can be taken with or without food. Now, the brand's FAQ section addresses questions like tablet size, food timing, and medication interactions, though those specific answers weren't visible in the page content here. So checking the FAQ directly on the page is worth doing though before actually buying the product, since again it may interact in somewhat in different ways depending on the person. And any kind of supplement that you're taking, it's best to basically consult your doctor or your physician or your healthcare provider first, and to see if it's safe for you to take this specific type of product. Now, on the pricing side here, a single bottle, which is like around 60 tablets, is listed at around $69, so marked down from a usual $284.91, so which is what you can see here on their website. Now, a 3-bottle package at $177, total of like $59 per bottle, and a 6-bottle package at $294, total at priced at $49 per bottle. Now, enrolling in an auto delivery brings the additional 20% off future orders plus free shipping. Orders also include 3 included digital bonuses, 2 brain health ebooks, and free shipping on a 3 and 6 bottle package. And it comes with a 180-day money back guarantee according to them, or not even an empty return bottle by contacting the company directly. So if you want to reach out to them first before actually buying the product, you can actually see that here at the very bottom. You should see the support section or the contact section here, and even view their FAQs. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.